integration of mango, cassava, gliricidia, sepium, and goats. We chose these practices because it greatly helps farmers to enhance their daily needs. And also it is a long-term practices that has a big impact on mitigating climate change. We choose mango, cassava, and goat as our main source of income, not just for economic use, but also it can enhance the biodiversity of the organism living in that area. Because these three components has a symbiotic relationships like, for example, mango trees can be used as a shelter belts, windbreaks, and ground cover for our agricultural crops, which also can prevent wind from growing. And our cassava can be sell as foods for consumers. Also, it can be used of feed to our livestock, and we also plant leguminous shrubs, which is Gliricidia sepium, as our live fence that prevents trespassers to enter our farmland. Also, Gliricidia sepium plays an important role in fixing nitrogens in our environment. It can also be used as feeds to our livestock. Also, we choose goat as our livestock because it is hassle-free in providing it feeds, because we can just pasture it along our tree crops. And its manure can be used as medicine and organic matter, which can maintain the fertility of the soil. In conclusion, these practices is very effective in enhancing food security, prevents poverty, and in combating climate change, because it is an sustainable agroforestry practices which also conserve soil and water in the Philippines.
Okay, ulitin ko nga ano yung pangalan ng practice ninyo?
Mankagi.
Louder?
Mankagido. Combination of mango, cassava, gliricidia, sepium, and goats.
Okay, anong pag-isahin, anong pangalan?
Mankagido.
Oh. So, gawin mo ito ng research ha? In the future.